Hey guys, it's Raven. Welcome back to my channel. I never like my voice on introductions. Anyway, today I wanted to give you guys a little bit of some brows, give you a quick little brow tutorial, but we're gonna do this in two different ways. We're gonna give you two different types of slayage, one with a pencil and then one with a pomade. Pomade and pencil, people like them for different reasons, right? Pencil, people think it's a little bit more artistic. You know, you kind of get that like microblading look, that faux brow look. It definitely looks a little bit more clean and professional. And then the bad bitches of social media, they just want to go in with the pomade. They just want to look like go ham, which I mean, either way, like you're a baddie either way, sis. Like it doesn't matter. But the makeup girls definitely seem to prefer the pomade, and then the makeup girls, but maybe more professional girls, like the pencil. I like both. It really just depends on the day, depends on what time I have. For me, pomade is definitely a lot faster because I will literally just like, I'll do it so quick. But let's not chat too much. I can show you a lot better than I can tell you. So before we get started, if you made it past the introduction, then obviously you're feeling your girl and you may as well hit that subscribe button. You may as well. Why are you here if you're not gonna subscribe, sis? It's literally my livelihood. Like, I survive off of this, so please hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's go ahead and just get into the video. Alright, so first, make sure that you groom your eyebrows before anything. I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade medium brown. And this thing is amazing. It's like a little over $2. You can get it at any grocery store, Walmart, wherever. But what I like to do is just draw a nice base. I like to get my base down first. So I just draw a nice structured line at the bottom. You want to get that support going first to get the shape, the outline, and then we're going to start adding some little strokes at the top just to kind of get our shape somewhat down pat. Next, I'm going to be taking the spoolie part of the pencil and just using that to blend out a little bit of our brow pencil. We're just doing that to make sure that the brows look nice and blended, very soft and defined. We don't want no harsh, square eyebrows, okay? If you have harsh, square eyebrows, the government told me to tell you that they are withholding your taxes for 2020. Now on to what is probably my favorite part about doing pencil brows is creating these little fine hair-like strokes in the front. So this is how you get that really feathered natural brow effect. Your natural brows, if you haven't jacked yours up like I did, they should have little hairs in the very start. So just kind of go upwards and over. Just follow the shape of your brow to create the most natural look. I'm taking some brow gel in a blonde color. You guys know, well maybe you don't know, so I'm gonna tell you. I love doing this trick. It just adds so much dimension, makes your brows a lot fluffier. It just gives that extra oomph, that extra pizzazz, honey. Get into it. Look at that. Snatchington part 1. Obviously, a brow is never done without a little Thanksgiving carving of the turkey action. So we are going to carve out our brows. You can use any concealer. I just use my Maybelline Age Rewind along with a flat brush that I got from MAC centuries ago. But yeah, you can use whatever you want, cream, liquid, doesn't matter. Just use something that is going to highlight your brow, so make sure your concealer is at least 1 to 2 shades lighter. I say 2, but I mean, do you, boo. And yeah, snatch that bad boy out. You know the drill. I don't know why I gave you guys another up close of the spoolie. I think you pretty much understand what it is and how to use it at this point. But I like to just continue to blend, feather everything out, make sure, you know, like I said, there's no harsh lines. Right, Snatched Brow Part 2. We're going to use ColourPop Bangin' Brunette along with a angled brush that I got from MAC. You see me struggling trying to coat it, but you want about this much product. Hold on, let me show you the next one. Boom! You want that much product, not too much, not too little. Fluff up your brows per usual, and then we are going to lay down our base just like we did with pencil. No matter what you're using for brows, always lay down your base. Get your guideline going. You got to put down your bricks before you can build your house. I'm taking a spoolie brush from Morphe and just brushing out any excess product. I'm using that same brow gel, the blonde one, to just fluff up and define the brows a bit. As stated before, you gotta carve your brows. No matter what you're using to put the brows on, you gotta carve them out, sis. It's law. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna throw some hair on for you, kind of pull this look together a little bit, and then we're gonna take a final look. So be right back. Okay, so I definitely went ahead and put on the most dramatic lash that I own. These, slight note, might be coming to the mink shop. But anyway, back into the brow. So this is the final outcome. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like once you're kind of all put together. So we got our pencil fleeky brow, and then we have our pomade ultra snatched brow. I think looking in the mirror at first I was team pomade, but looking at it again, I definitely think I'm team pencil. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys, love to hear what you're thinking. Give me your feedback. But yeah, I hope that this tutorial was super helpful for you. Although we gotta be quarantined and we can't get in to get our brows threaded and waxed like we normally do, we can fake the job right at home. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Go ahead and subscribe to my... It's like the hail and the rain is like gangbanging outside. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!